What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Trade, where we dive into the dopest tech that makes your life not just easier, but cooler. Today, we're talking about a gadget that doesn't just record memories. It captures everything, every angle, every second, every single detail. Say hello to the Insta360 X5, your all-seeing, all-knowing, waterproof, 8K, 360-degree action camera that's basically a content creator's dream. If you've ever missed a shot or thought, dang, I wish I could rewind and get that angle, the Insta360 X5 has your back, literally, and the front and the sides and the sky. It sees everything. Remember, the link to the Insta360 X5 is in the description, so scroll down if you're ready to upgrade your adventure game. Now, before we hit the road with this bad boy, smash that like button, subscribe if you're all about capturing epic content with minimal effort, and drop a comment below. What's the craziest thing you'd film in full 360? Let's roll. Okay, so let's start with the basics. The Insta360 X5 is not your average action cam. This thing shoots in 8K resolution. That's not just high def, that's pause the video and still see the fly-on-the-wall quality. You're getting 72 megapixel photos, a sleek 2.5-inch touchscreen, and full 360-degree capture, so you never have to worry about what direction your camera is facing. Just shoot now, aim later. Literally. It's like if a drone, a GoPro, and an AI editor had a baby and then gave it superpowers. Here's where it gets fun. The invisible selfie stick effect is wild. You can mount this thing on a stick, but when you play the footage back, the stick is gone. It's like having a floating camera crew following you around while you hike, ski, ride, or run. And the best part? You can reframe your footage after you shoot, so you're not stuck with one angle. You get all the angles. Want to make a cinematic pan or zoom in on something crazy that happened in the background? You can do that after the fact. It's mind-blowing. The X5 isn't just a camera. It's smart. It's got a AAA chip design, which means it processes your footage fast and smooth, even in low light. Early morning hikes, sunset beach shots, no problem. It auto-adjusts exposure and detail like a pro. And did I mention stabilization? Flow State is Insta360's built-in gimbal-like stabilization, and it's scary good. Your footage looks smooth, even if you're running over rocks or jumping off cliffs, which I don't recommend unless you're wearing a parachute. This camera is built like a tank. It's rugged, it's waterproof, and it has replaceable lenses. So if you scratch one going full send down a mountain trail, you're not out of luck. Just swap it and keep going. Whether you're surfing, snowboarding, or mountain biking through a rainstorm, the X5 is ready for the elements. You worry about the adventure, let the camera handle the rest. Now, let's talk sound. The Insta360 X5 has a built-in wind guard that cuts down noise from the breeze and keeps your voice clear. No more muffled, "did you hear that?" moments. And if you're a content creator or vlogger, that clean audio saves you a ton of editing time. Shoot it, share it, done. You're looking at up to 3 hours of battery life, which is impressive for an 8K camera with AI and stabilization running full time. Inside the box, you get the camera, a USB-C cable, lens cloth, protective pouch, and a full user guide. Everything you need to get going right out of the gate. Just in case you're into specs. Video, 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.7K at 60 frames per second. Photos, 72 megapixel. Sensor, CMOS. Focal length, 10 to 30 millimeters. Aperture, f2.0. Formats, MP4. Screen, 2.5-inch touchscreen. Image stabilization. Yes. Flow State app control. Yup, invisible stick effect. Hell. Yes, waterproof. Down to 10 meters. This is next level gear. All right, imagine this. You're biking down a forest trail. It's rocky, it's fast, the lighting changes every few seconds, but your Insta360 X5 captures everything in full 8K, stabilized like it's on rails, and lets you pick your favorite angles later. Or you're snorkeling in clear water, and boom, the camera's waterproof, recording everything above and below the surface in one seamless shot. Or maybe you're just making sick content for your socials, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. With the X5, you can shoot once, export 5 different edits, and still not lose quality. It's made for creators. So, what are you getting with the Insta360 X5? 8K, 360-degree video, pro-level stabilization, invisible selfie stick effect, waterproof design, swappable lenses, AI processing, killer battery life, and a serious upgrade to your content game. This camera isn't just for the pros. It makes you look like a pro. Whether you're documenting your travels, showing off your hobbies, or just capturing your world in a whole new way, the Insta360 X5 is the move. Don't forget to drop a comment. What's the first thing you would film in full 360? Smash that like button if this helped, subscribe for more smart tech breakdowns, and tap that bell so you don't miss the next drop. Until next time, stay sharp, stay adventurous. Peace out.